Everyone concerned to keep our beaches clean as footfall on each beaches are increasing every day. Together, we can become the wave of change that is need to shift our community's mindsets and create a better, cleaner and healthier environment for the future. Just like the powerful waves changes our coastal landscapes, we as citizens and custodian of the future need to come together to create a big movement or a wave, shifting our current mindset from coastal resource use to something better and more beneficial, which is coastal resource ownership.
So blue flag status won't be given just like that. It has to be cleanliness, approachability, how you will create awareness, safety, so many factors to take into consideration, and then finally it is awarded and it's to be maintained. So every year we have to renew. So that sort of a status this this beach has got. And as most of the people may not be aware, and the Rushikonda means it is a hill of sages. The Rushikonda is given that name because there is a beautiful Sapta Rishishwar Alayam. This Alayam is next on the beach. Because of that, this beach has got a Rushikonda. And we are truly blessed to live very close to this beautiful beach. And quite often I come out here, and I must say, the efforts put in by the GVMC, Marine Police, and various government authorities in maintaining this beach is truly praiseworthy. And when I come over here a couple of years back, so there is a awareness amongst the people. We used to have ice cream or so, and put a wrap there. Now, whenever you come over here, you pick up anything from the vendor, he will say, "Sir, after eating, please put this one in the dustbin itself. Otherwise, we will be fine." So that sort of awareness, that sort of a culture, work culture is created in this place. Towards that, my compliments to GVMC. So, in conclusion, what I want, this is what is the way ahead to eradicate the menace is, first thing is create a culture of this sort of awareness, how to avoid the plastic reaching the coast itself. That's what eliminate the root cause, and Rwanda type of the banning and their culture to be inculcated by our Vizagites. I'm sure the GVMC and all authorities continue to do this job with cooperation with the Indian Coast Guard. I'm very happy the Coast Guard is conducting. I was told it's not only this place, on this very day, very time, there are 5 locations this Coast Guard is conducting in Andhra coast. So my compliments, which is very remarkable, my compliments to Indian Coast Guard. And I must thank all the participants of today's event and the dignitaries on the dais who have come from the various institutions. My heartfelt gratitude to them.
మీరందరూ వాలంటీర్ అవ్వాలి. వాలంటీర్గా అందరికీ అలా జ్ఞానం వచ్చి అవన్నీ చేయకుండా ఉంటే ఒకప్పటికి ఇప్పుడు చూడు సముద్రం ఎంత అందంగా ఉంది. ఆ తర్వాత అలా మ్యాథ్స్ చేస్తే జనరేషన్ వాళ్ళకి కష్టం వస్తుంది. తర్వాత వస్తే సో వాళ్ళందరూ బాగుండాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి స్ప్రెడ్ చేయాలి, అందరికీ చెప్పాలి. ఓకే చెప్పారా? బాయ్.